Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattvamichhami वेदितुं त्यागस्य च हृषीकेश पृथक्केशी निषूदन ॐ Doubts are like demons. Do not let them remain in your mind. Approach Jagadguru Sri Krishna Paramatma through his teachings Bhagavad Gita. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely approach you through Bhagavad Gita to clarify all my doubts. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupētamupētakrutyam dvaipāyano virahakātara ājuhāva putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 361st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Brahmanas' wives, they are enjoying having darshanam of Sri Krishna Paramatma. They are constantly staring and enjoying. And because they have been hearing about Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory for long time, and repeatedly they have heard about it, now ಪ್ರಿಯತಮ ಉದಯಕರ್ಣಪೂರೈಃ. Their ears having beautiful ornaments. What are those ornaments? Hearing about Krishna Paramatma's divine qualities, divine glory is an ornament to their ears. Not only that, Kani Lochana Randrambula Munimidi Harilalita Rupamunu Logoni Nemmanamula Parirambhinchiri Tanu Madhyalu Hrudaya Janita Tapamuvayan Akshirandraihi Antahpravesya Suchiram Parirabhyatapam Vijahuhu. The wives of Brahmanas, they are now enjoying Krishna Paramatma's beautiful, divine, handsome physique. They are seeing with their eyes and they are slowly taking that Divyamangala Vigraham of Krishna Paramatma through their eyes and making sure that Krishna Paramatma enters into their own hearts. Then every of those wives of Brahmanas hugging Krishna Paramatma in their own heart very tightly and getting rid of all kind of pains. What is that pain? That we have not seen Krishna Paramatma for so long time. They have been craving. All that pain is now gone. They are hugging Krishna Paramatma heartfully, mindfully in their own heart and enjoying. It is like as if Atma Sakshatkaram they have attained. To that extent they are enjoying that bliss. And after all that, now Krishna Paramatma seeing those wives of Brahmanas, Krishna Paramatma realizing these Brahmana girls, Brahmana women, they don't have any kind of mundane desires. They don't need anything. Their only wish is to see me. They came here only for me. Their ultimate goal is to enjoy my darsanam. Krishna Paramatma realized, and then he is saying that prahasitananaha, while giving a nice beautiful smile to Brahmana's wives, Krishna Paramatma saying like this. What he is saying we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 1st sloka. Sannyasasya mahabaho tattvamichhami veditum tyagasya cha hrishikesha pradhakkesi nishudana. Sannyasasya mahabaho tattvamichhami veditum tyagasya cha hrishikesha pradhakkesi nishudana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.